Hello, children. How are you? I hope you all are well and good. Today we will study chapter number 4 Before the Match. Chapter number 4 from your English book Sunbeams. This story is about Swaminathan, who tries his best to skip the evening drill practice to prepare himself for the upcoming match. This is a story about a boy, Swaminathan. He was a good player, but he did not like to do practice in the evening. The match was to be played on Sunday. After 2 weeks, Rajam lost all peace of mind. He felt confident that his team could thrash the YMU, Young Men's Union. He himself could be depended upon not to let down the team. Money was steady even if unimpressive. He could be depended upon to stop any ball with his head if necessary. His batting was not bad. There was only one player who caused responsibility, who caused him the deepest anxiety. Day and night on him rested a great task, a mighty responsibility. He was the tat of the team, and he must bowl out all the 11 of the other team. But he looked uncertain. Even even with the match only a fortnight off, he did not seem to care for practice. This is the story of a boy, Swaminathan. He was a good player and he did not like to do the evening practice. There are some hard words. Thrash. Thrash means to give defeat. Steady means slow. Unimpressive matlab ordinary. Anxiety, worry. Tat is a good player of cricket. So in this paragraph there are some hard words. I told you the meaning of these words. The match was going to be start on the next after 2 weeks, Sunday. The boy Swaminathan was not interested in doing the practice of evening time. There was one more Rajam, one more player of cricket of their team. He was very worried about it, and there was one more player, Money. He was steady, means he was slow and ordinary player, but he could stop the ball with his head if it is necessary, and he was the tat of the team. He was like a tat of team, means he was a good player like tat. So in the next, Swami Rajam pleaded, please do try to have at least an hour's practice in the evening. Swami, this boy Rajam was saying to him very strongly कि Swami, you should do practice even 1 hour of evening. Certainly Rajam, if you can suggest a way, why not tell your headmaster? Oh no, Swaminathan cried. I am grateful to you for your suggestion, but let us not think of that man. I don't care. What I want is that you should have good practice. If you keep any batsman standing for more than 5 minutes, I will never see your face again. Just 7 days before the match, Swaminathan realized that his evenings were more precious. He was saying to him कि you should do practice at least 1 hour, and I want only one thing from you, that if any batsman is standing for more than 5 minutes in front of you, I will never see your face. He will saying to him again and again to do practice. As soon as the evening bell rang, he lined up with the rest in the drill ground. But contrary to the custom, he had not taken off his coat and cap. All the others were in their shirts with their dhotis tucked up. The drill master stopped before him, looked him up and down, and pleased on muttering, you won't get leave, coat and cap off. Swaminathan became desperate and persuaded him Sir, I am in a terrible state of health. I can't attend drill today. I shall die if I do. The drill master had come to the last boy, and yet Swaminathan was dogging him. He turned round on Swaminathan with fierce expression. What is the matter with you? Swaminathan was not interested in doing evening drill, so he was saying to his drill master, "Sir, I cannot do practice because I am terribly ill. If I will do practice, I will die." The drill master knew everything about the children, and he saw towards him with a fierce expression, and he asked, "What happened with you?" But he was saying again and again to the master that, "Please listen to me." He was dogging him, means he was following him. Contrary means there are some words I am telling you meaning. Contrary means opposite. Customs means traditions which are going on from a long time. Muttering means to say something in mouth. Dogging means to follow something. Fierce means anger. So I think all the words are clear to you. Next, sir, the whole of the night I was delirious. The drill master was stunned by the piece of news. You were delirious? I didn't sleep a wink. Last night I was delirious. Our doctor said so. He has asked me not to attend drill for a week to come. I don't believe a word. Get out. He was saying to his drill master that I cannot do practice. My doctor said me to take rest for 1 week. Every day at the field, everybody at the field was happy to see him so early. Rajam jumped with joy. He was standing in front of the drill master, and all the players were very happy that, and Rajam jumped with joy. He was very happy. The next morning, Swaminathan formed a plan to be free for all the evenings of the week. It was 7:30 in the morning, and he still had 2.5 hours before him for the school. Swaminathan quietly slipped out of the house. He looked before a shop in front of which hung the board Dr. T. Keshwan LM and Sri Krishna Dispensary. Now the drill master did not listen to Swami, so he went to the doctor to take a false certificate of illness, and he said to him, "Hello Swaminathan, what is the matter? Doctor, I need a doctor certificate immediately. What is the matter with you?" "I will tell you the truth, doctor. I have to play match next week against the Young Men's Union. I must have some practice. Yet every evening there is drill class, scouting, some period of the other. If you could give me a certificate asking them to let me off at 4:30 p.m., it would help the MCC Malgudi Cricket Club to win the match." He was saying to doctor that, "Please give me a certificate of illness so that I have, because I don't want to do practice in the evening time." "Well, I could do it, but is there anything wrong with you?" Doctor asking, "Is there really anything wrong with you?" Swaminathan took half a second to find an answer. "Certainly, I am beginning to feel of late that have delirium." Delirium means very much ill, not able to speak, shivering with fever. "Boy, did you say delirium? What exactly do you mean by delirium?" Then doctor is asking that, "What is the meaning of delirium? Really? Are you saying are you really serious?" In this there is a question, is it right to Swaminathan part to ask for a false certificate? No, it is not a good thing to ask for a false certificate. Now next, I can't say exactly, but isn't it some kind of stomach ache? The doctor laughed till a great fit of coughing threatened to choke him. After that, he looked Swaminathan under the eye, examined his tongue, tapped his chest, and cleared him to be in the pink of health. He then told him it would do well to stick to his drill if he wanted to get rid of delirium. In the above paragraph, the word stick means it should be continue with. Now the doctor checked him properly and he said, you are okay, you are in the pink health means you are in good health. Tapped means he did like this, he make a sound of his. Swaminathan again explained to him how important it was for him to have the evening free. But the doctor said, it is all right, well, but I would be prosecuted if I give you any such certificate. The doctor said that I cannot give you a false certificate. If I will give you, then I will be prosecuted, means I will be fined up. Who is going to find it out, doctor? Do you want our MCC to lose the match? I wish you all the success. Don't worry, I can't give you a certificate, but I shall talk to your doctor, to your headmaster about you and request him to let you off after 4:30. That will do. You are very kind to me, doctor. Then the doctor said, I will not give you a false certificate, but I will talk to your headmaster to get you free after 4:30. Then the Swaminathan was very happy. What do you learn by this story? We learned that we should not speak a lie and we should not make excuses. If we are having any problem, we should talk to the person who is related to it. And honesty is the best policy. This story was by R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan was the famous writer. He was from South India. Thank you.